Seguimos con Héctor Hernández de Dexfreight. Él es fundador de Dexfreight. Tiene más de 20 años también de experiencia en el sector de comercio internacional y logística. Hace parte de la junta directiva de la World Transportation Services también han desarrollado ya un producto en RSK también, curiosamente. Entonces, bueno, muchísimas gracias Héctor, bienvenido.
Efectivamente, yo soy socio cofundador de Dexfreight. Nosotros estamos construyendo una plataforma descentralizada de logística. No sé si podemos poner la presentación. No presentación, bueno, no importa.
Ya lo miramos.
Así, ahí está.
Ya está.
Ok. Estamos construyendo una plataforma descentralizada que va a ser propiedad de los usuarios. Los usuarios son los shippers y los carriers, la gente que necesita mover carga o despachar carga y los que pueden tener la capacidad o tienen los transportistas principalmente. Nuestra plataforma está usando blockchain y más adelante les explico cómo lo utiliza. Tenemos un poco tiempo. Supply chain es el proceso mediante el cual, I'm going to turn to English, it's a process by which raw materials are delivered to the end consumer. It's a very complex process, many actors in the chain, very fragmented, a lot of multiple systems, siloed data, mistrust actors, not everybody trusts each other, not everybody knows each other. It's the largest economy, the largest industry by far. In the US, the global logistics market is going to reach 15.5 trillion by 2023. If it was an economy, it would be the third largest economy in the world. We have the main industry problems that we're facing, like I mentioned before. Over-reliance on intermediation is a necessary evil now because people don't know each other, don't trust each other, and they have plenty of issues. So this is companies like WTS, where I belong, thrive because we made a decent markup for scheduling or finding the capacity to move these goods. We have no reputation system as of today that you can check. So it's kind of a leap of faith, and that's also a reason why you need to trust the intermediary. There is a lack of liquidity. You have a lot of misused assets or assets that are not at full capacity and have empty warehouses. And also you have invoices that are paid usually 30 days later, even though the service was performed already. There's some other big problems there, but we have very little time, so I can probably share them with you once we're done. And why blockchain? Yeah, we are building blockchain-based identity and also reputation system. So even if you don't know, if you're a shipper and you don't know the counterparty, you can actually know that the counterparty is actually who they say they are, and actually you can see reputation based on the KPIs on the smart contracts. So by using the smart contracts, we also bring a new level of digitization to the industry. This is done by paper, by fax, by email today, and by digitizing, we now can bring a whole lot set of new services. So this is kind of the way the platform looks. At the bottom, we are running RSK, so secured by the Bitcoin network. In the middle is when this transaction actually happens. They find each other, they transact, they negotiate rates, they book the shipments in a digital way. And at the top, now that we have all these digitized transactions, you can bring all of these services like expert on demand, on-demand warehousing, insurance and finance in a whole new way, basically on demand. And now you have all these risk factors that you can measure. And some of the achievements, the recent achievement, we got invited to join World Economic Forum, and we were able to also perform the first blockchain truckload recently. I want to leave you with a video that shows that. Thank you. Oh, the video, audio. So this is the shipper tendering the load for the carrier. This is the actual carrier receiving the order. They accept the terms and conditions. now it goes into the smart contract. All the terms and conditions are set up.
Well, what excites us about DexFreight is the transparency and the fact that we can feel secure about who we're doing business with and see the past track record of the trucker, and to know that can't be played around with. Everything is it's an honest information. Our customers are very particular about delivery time, and for us to be able to track the truck and know where it's at in a certain period.
So the actual driver gets his dispatch. He got the order as an app, also a mobile app that he can use for geofencing and also smart routing. So we wanted to have the real shipment in blockchain because there's a lot of noise about blockchain being ideal for logistics, but not a whole lot done. It was quite a challenge, and we are very happy and proud to be able to do this in a public blockchain. This shows the truck arriving to the delivery
For
destination.
Ariel Trucking, it truly is an honor for us to be the first ones and to join in this effort with companies such as DexFreight and RSK and Netuno and a couple of the people that we've done together in order to truly make this a reality. Really, we are blessed with this opportunity that has been afforded to us, and we welcome it. We think technology is obviously the wave of the present and obviously the wave of the future, and we will happily do everything we can to foster this, not only for Ariel Trucking, but for the whole trucking industry. We feel that this is really important for the entire trucking industry.
So once shipment arrives, QR code scan, payment is released.
Now we can go beyond storing and transferring value into having agreements between the parties. And that's what is enabling things like DexFreight, where we can have a set of rules, in this case for logistics, for a specific industry, where all the participants know that those business rules will be fulfilled 100%. Nobody can get in between and change the rules to their needs. So that level of trust enables businesses among parties that don't have previous trust among them. So seeing this thing happens for us is the joyous moment in our lives, is when we see the technology becoming a tool for that, for improving the businesses and organizations and our society. So this is why we live for.